Do you ever feel like your small business is stuck in a cash-only past, while the rest of the world is swiping, tapping, and Venmo their way through transactions? Are you tired of fumbling for change, or worse, losing a sale because a customer doesn't have enough cash on hand? What if I told you there's a super simple, incredibly popular app that most of your customers are already using, and it can transform how you get paid? An app that goes beyond just splitting dinner bills with friends and can actually help your business grow? We're talking about Venmo, and specifically, how to unlock its full potential for your business by creating a dedicated Venmo business profile. For too long, Venmo has been seen primarily as a peer-to-peer payment platform, a digital IOU system for roommates and friends. But Venmo has evolved, and it's now a powerful tool that countless small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs are leveraging to streamline payments, track income, and even build customer relationships. Think about it, your customers are already on Venmo. They're comfortable with it, they trust it, and they use it regularly. Why make them jump through hoops or download another app just to pay you? By setting up a Venmo business profile, you're not just offering another payment option, you're meeting your customers where they are, making their purchasing experience frictionless, and ultimately, making it easier for them to support your business. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of setting up your profile, let's address a common misconception. Many small businesses simply use their personal Venmo accounts to receive payments. While this might seem convenient at first, it's a huge mistake. Using a personal account for business transactions blurs the lines between personal and business finances, making tax season a nightmare. It also lacks the professional features, enhanced security, and dispute resolution mechanisms that a dedicated business profile provides. Plus, if Venmo flags your personal account for too much commercial activity, you could face limitations or even account suspension. So, trust me on this, a separate Venmo business profile is non-negotiable for anyone serious about their business. So, are you ready to ditch the cash-only headaches and embrace a modern, efficient way of getting paid? Let's break down exactly what a Venmo business profile is, why it's a game-changer for your venture, and then, step by step, how you can set one up and start accepting payments like a pro. Understanding the power of a Venmo business profile. A Venmo business profile is essentially a specialized account within the Venmo ecosystem designed specifically for commercial transactions. It offers a suite of features that are distinct from a personal profile, all geared towards making your business operations smoother and more professional. One of the most immediate benefits is clarity and professionalism. When a customer pays your business profile, it clearly shows as a payment to a business, not to an individual. This instills confidence and legitimizes your operations. Then there's transaction tracking and reporting. With a business profile, all your business transactions are neatly separated from your personal ones. This makes it incredibly easy to track your income, reconcile your books, and prepare for tax time. Venmo even provides detailed transaction history that you can export, saving you countless hours of manual data entry. Enhanced security and dispute resolution are also critical. Business profiles come with more robust fraud protection and a clearer process for handling customer disputes, offering both you and your customers greater peace of mind. And let's not forget about tax compliance. As a business, you have different tax obligations than an individual. Venmo business profiles are designed to help you meet these obligations by providing the necessary reporting for tax purposes. For instance, if you receive over a certain threshold in payments, Venmo will issue a Form 1099-K, which simplifies your tax filing. Trying to manually track and categorize business income from a personal account for tax purposes is a recipe for headaches and potential errors. Finally, a business profile can even help with customer engagement. You can create a unique business name, description, and even a profile picture that reflects your brand. This isn't just about payments, it's about building your brand presence within an app that millions of people use daily. Some business profiles even have the option to display customer reviews, further building trust and credibility. Now that we understand why you need a Venmo business profile, let's get into the how. Don't worry, the process is surprisingly straightforward. Step by step, creating your Venmo business profile. Before you begin, make sure you have a personal Venmo account set up and verified. You'll also need some basic business information handy, like your business name, address, and potentially your employer identification number, EIN, if you have one. Step 1. Open your Venmo app and navigate to Settings. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Once logged in, tap on the 3 horizontal lines, or your profile picture, in the top left or right corner to open the main menu. From there, look for and select Settings. Step 2. Find Create a Business Profile. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you see an option that says something like Create a Business Profile or Business Profiles. Tap on this option. Venmo often makes this quite visible because they want businesses to utilize this feature. Step 3. Begin the setup process. Venmo will guide you through a series of prompts. The first might be an introductory screen explaining the benefits of a business profile. Tap Get Started or Create Profile to proceed. Step 4. Enter your business information. This is where you'll input the core details of your business. Business name. This is the name your customers will see. Make it clear and recognizable. Business category. Select the category that best describes your business, e.g., retail, services, food and drink, arts and entertainment. This helps Venmo understand your business type and can sometimes influence features available to you. Business description. Optional but recommended. Briefly describe what your business does. This is a great opportunity to highlight your unique selling proposition. Business website. Optional if you have a website. Include the URL. This provides another touchpoint for customers. Business address. Enter your physical business address. If you operate from home or don't have a storefront, you might use your home address or a P.O. box if applicable. Contact information. Provide a business email address and phone number. Step 5. Link your bank account, if not already linked for personal profile. While your personal Venmo account might already have a linked bank account, Venmo might ask you to confirm or relink for your business profile. This is crucial for transferring your Venmo balance to your bank account. You'll typically verify this through instant verification, logging into your bank online, or by Venmo sending small deposits to your account that you'll then confirm. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.